So for the number 9, identify the most common combination of three medication prescribed to patients. So for select, medication ID as medication 1 for then another medication ID as medication 2 and last one medication ID as medication 3. Then count as combination count from patient medication details. Then join patient medication details on PM2 on PM1 admission ID equals PM2 admission ID and PM1 medication ID less than PM2 medication ID. Then join patient medication details PM3 on PM1 admission ID equals PM3 admission ID and PM2 medication ID less than PM3 medication ID. Then for group by PM1 medication ID and PM2 medication ID. Then last one is PM3 medication ID. Order by combination count this limit 1. So if we're going to try to run the code, then as you can see here na magawas ang medication 1 and medication 3, 2, then medication 3. And ang combination count. So that's it for question number 9.